Good morning, girls. It is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. So happy Friday. We are going to be talking today about summarizing the chapters that we've been reading in the Hope Chest. So, specifically, yesterday we talked about thinking about what the characters want and how that contributes to what happens in the chapters. So, we are going to think about that again today, but we're also going to be writing a summary of chapters 1 through 6. So we're going to review what it means to summarize so that we can write a summary today in our independent packet of those chapters. So we might read and listen to summaries when we read the back of a book, when we read a newspaper article, when we read some sort of news report. If we want to find the main idea about a large topic or issue. We listen to a news report. We watch a movie trailer. Think about it. If you see a commercial on TV or you go to the movies and you see a trailer, which is that shorter preview of a movie, you're seeing a summary. It's just in visual form. It's giving you the overview of what that film is about. It's summarizing the big events in that film. So think about which face below represents you. Do you feel like you can explain places that summaries are used on a daily basis? Do you feel comfortable making that statement? Hopefully, yes. We've talked about it in class. We've talked about it in our distance learning class. And we just did a little review as well. Now that we feel comfortable, let's move on to the rest of our mini lesson today. Think about a great peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All great peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are made with similar ingredients: peanut butter, jelly, and bread. A summary is just like that. It's peanut butter and jelly in theory. A summary has three main ingredients. So when I say it's like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, obviously it's not a sandwich. But what we mean by that comparison is it has three main ingredients, just like that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All great summaries are like great peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. They contain the 5 W's. Who is the article or text about? What is the article or text about? What's happening? When is it happening? Or when did it happen? Where is it happening? Or where did it happen? And why is it happening? You only need to restate the most important ideas, or if you're summarizing a literary text, you only need to restate the most important events. We've talked about it in class as we identify our main idea and then we identify supporting details. And that allows us to summarize the text that we read. And remember, a summary is not long, so you don't need to have pages and pages of text. Actually only going to be a few sentences or a short paragraph. Now, today you're going to be summarizing 6 chapters. So it might be a little bit longer than, say, summarizing 1, but it's still not going to be as long as 6 chapters would be. So girls, what you're going to do today to put this strategy and skill into practice is you're going to keep your Hope Chest book handy. You don't necessarily need to reread all of the chapters. However, if you are not comfortable with the details and you need a review, then you should reread certain parts where you might be missing information. So maybe take a look at the work that you've done this week and see where you might still need to reread. Maybe it's part of a chapter, maybe it's a certain chapter, because you're going to want that fresh in your head. Or maybe just skim through it since you fully read it so that you feel comfortable writing a quality. Then in your packet today, your independent assignment is you're going to write a paragraph summary of chapters 1 through 6. So that will be the independent assignment that you complete and send pictures of to me. I have a lot of young ladies that are missing a lot of news ELA work. I think yesterday, again, I had 9 girls. And I can't emphasize enough the importance of practicing our different ELA skills by using those news ELA articles, because not only are we learning about those topics, but we're specifically applying different ELA skills. So please make sure that you are completely caught up by today. When you log in, you should be able to see as soon as you log in what you are missing and what you haven't completed. Have a great day, girls. Happy Friday. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon.